What's up everybody, it's Grant with the Grant Carbo Real Estate Team, and we're here at one of our newest listings in this gorgeous 55 and up community in Pinellas Park within the mainlands. This property is amazing, as well as you almost can't get anything for this price anymore within just 5-10 minutes of the beach. I love it, I know you will too. Let's go check it out. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for sticking all the way around to the end. If you have any questions or want to schedule a showing for the property, my information will be linked down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.